Jump in with me and a bunch of other people as we kick off a 1-year Bible reading adventure with friends that we're calling The Word and the Wild. This thing is different. It's not a devo. It's not a recap. It's not lessons, talks, or sermons. No, this is simply a guide by your side to help you read the Bible for yourself, but not get stuck reading it by yourself. It's got 2 parts to it. There's a podcast. It's free anywhere you consume your podcast. Check it out. Starting in January, it'll be there, okay? Then second part, if you chip in a couple bucks, you can join The Wild, which is an online community full of people just like you, wanting to understand the Bible, explore, make friends, have fun, make connections, all inside of a safe online space, hosted by yours truly, and featuring bonus content, things like a live stream Q&A every week and more. All of that part of the podcast plus community that will help you read the Bible, unfold, and enjoy the themes and characters and the insights. It's rewarding, it's doable, it's all for you. wordandthewild.com. Jump in. Hope you'll join us. Can't wait to see you.